Hey, good morning, Metropolis. It's now 5 after the hour of 6 a.m. in the big monster city. Temperature's a balmy 65 degrees, which is good news for you reptiles, and it looks like it's gonna be a perfect day to maybe, hey, just lie in bed, sleep in, or simply work out that slab that's hanging over the bed! Get up, Sully!
I don't believe I ordered a wake-up call, Nike.
Hey, let's talk more pain, Marshmallow Boy! Feel the burn! You call yourself a monster? Scary feet, scary feet, scary feet. Oh, the kid's awake! Okay, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet. Kids asleep! Twins! In a bunk bed! Ooh, I thought I had you there. Okay, Sully, here we go. You ready? Follow it. Oh, it's over here. Oh, look over there. Don't let the kid touch you. Don't let it touch you. And I don't know, but it's been said, I love scaring kids in bed. Come on, fight that clock. Fight that clock. Scary monsters don't have clock. 118. Do you have 119? Do I see 120? Oh, I don't believe it.
I'm not even breaking a sweat.
Not you. Look, the new commercial's on.
The future is bright at Monsters Incorporated.
I'm in this
We're
one.
part
I'm
of
in this
your
one.
life. We power your car. We warm your home. We light your city.
I'm Monsters Incorporated.
Hey, look, Betty!
Carefully matching every child to their ideal monster to produce superior screen, refined into clean, dependable energy. Every time you turn something on, Monsters Incorporated is there.
I'm Monsters Incorporated.
We know the challenge. The window of innocence is shrinking. Human kids are harder to scare.
Of course, MI is prepared for the future. With the top scarers, the best refineries, and research into new energy techniques.
Okay, here I come.
We're working for a better tomorrow. Today.
We're MI, Monsters Incorporated. We scare because we care.
I can't believe it.
Oh, Mike.
I was on TV! Ah, did you see me? I'm a natural! Hello? I know! Hey, wasn't I great? Did the whole family see it? It's your mom. What can I say? The camera loves me.